Hello, and welcome back to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time in Chucks and Chapstick, I say go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then tap, tap, tap on the notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're back for more unboxing shenanigans, they are headed your way. Which box do I have today? I got a Stitch Fix and you ain't got one, but you should get one because Stitch Fix is fun. And if you do, don't forget to use my code. So here's my Stitch Fix box. My box obviously is unopened, but I did cheat and look in the Stitch Fix app when the items were sent, and every time I allow myself to look at 2 items. So I scroll down, look at the first, look at the second, and then I back off of the app. So I'm kind of like, you know, satisfying my curiosity, but also leaving a little bit of a surprise. In reality, it's just psychological gymnastics that I'm doing for myself. Just don't judge me. If you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, I'll give you the quick and dirty rundown of how it works. You go onto the Stitch Fix website, you fill out a style profile that gives your sizes, your style, things you're looking for, things you're absolutely opposed to, and then they go ahead and they curate a box. In order for you to get that box sent to you, it is a $20 styling fee. If you buy 1 through 4 items, then you just pay the outright price for those 4 items, 1 through 4 items. If you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount. As long as you purchase at least 1 item, your $20 styling fee is credited. If you don't buy anything, then your $20 styling fee is not refunded. It doesn't roll over. It's just your way of saying thank you, Stitch Fix, for sending me stuff that I didn't really end up buying, but we know you spent your time doing it. That's what it boils down to. Shipping is free both ways. That's the deets. So let's go ahead and get into this box. In every box you will receive a prepaid mailer to mail back any items that you do not want. It's already stamped. All you gotta do is throw the stuff in there, drop it off at the post office. Style cards. These style cards basically show your items in the middle in ways that Stitch Fix suggests that you style the individual items. Bum, bum, bum! The price sheet. And I always save the price list until last because I don't want price to influence at all the way I feel about the items. So let's go ahead and dig in. So based off of what I allowed myself to see when I cheated, I am really excited about what is in this package. Let's check out what I got. There's my burrito. Looks like there's some denim here. And then some other prints, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Oh. Look at this. Overalls. They're shorts. I don't know how I feel about this. I like overalls, but I don't wear them very often, but I kind of like the idea of it. This is one of the items I did see, and it's super cute. It's a skirt. And I love the print on that. That's a really pretty print. Ooh, that's a short skirt. I'm showing them all my yams. All my yams. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. It's kind of a snake print is in right now. I've been looking for some snake print shoes. I haven't been able to find them. But snake print tank top. This is really cute. I like this a lot. Oh, those are cute. Oh, okay, with a little flap in the front. That's cute. Some shorts. Ooh. Okay, Stitch Fix. I'll see you up in here. Ah! Eek! Ooh! I'm so excited. Oh, yay. I especially requested this because I saw another YouTuber get it. It's a scalloped edge bodysuit. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Jason. They listened and they sent me this scalloped edge bodysuit, so I'm so excited to try this on. The print quality of the style cards that were sent to me was a little lacking, so I apologize for the blurriness.
they were sent to me kind of blurry. I'm going to take the style card suggestion and pair the overalls with an off-the-shoulder top. So I've never thought about buying a pair of overall shorts before, but I really like these. They have plenty of stretch. They were very comfortable. They have a functional front pocket. Not sure what you would put in there, but it's there. Adjustable straps that you can, lengthen or shorten depending on your preference. Again, these just have lots of stretch. They're very soft without being like flimsy. But I like these a lot. It has buttons on the side. And one thing that I especially liked about these is the cut in the back, how it kind of stops short of going all the way wide. Overall, I thought, I said overall, these were a hit. Check out my shoes with the cats and dogs on them. They're so comfortable and I'm so corny. I'm going to take the stylist suggestion to style this skirt with a white top. So because I am very midsection heavy, I do tend to wear my tube or pencil skirts pretty high-waisted. Here I'm just showing you the difference between how it looks. I just think it looks better being worn at my natural waist. I love this fabric. It's very, very stretchy. I love the print of it. I think I could really work with it. I don't know that I would wear it with a white top and a jean jacket, but you kind of get the gist. But overall, I really, really like this skirt. It's a keeper. Using the stylist suggestion to pair these shorts with a black this outfit just gave me an excuse to wear my black hat that I haven't worn all summer. But anyway, I really love these shorts. I have been seeing the tulip hem shorts all summer and just thought it wasn't for me. And I ended up liking it a lot. I like how you can tie the waist to be tighter or looser depending on, what look you want to go for. I really love this print. And I decided to go up a size just because I think I needed a bigger size, but it does have a stretchy waist. The material isn't stretchy, but the waist itself does have a stretchy waistband. So check me out. So I styled the bodysuit with a pair of distressed blue jeans, and so I love the scallop edge of this bodysuit. I think it is very feminine and pretty. I do have on a pair of slink jeans. Sometimes I wear a belt, sometimes I don't. Just depends on my mood. A lot of people don't like bodysuits. I find them to be very comfortable as long as they're not thong bodysuits. The main thing to keep in mind is not to wait too long to get to the bathroom, because undoing those snaps can get you in trouble if you really gotta go. So we're going to do the snake print top with the distressed jeans. This is another one that I thought the stylist suggestion really hit the nail on the head. There's the top there. The buttons can come undone as well as that tie there. It's really comfortable top. It's got some stretch to it. It's not like a non-breathable rayon or polyester or anything. It actually is very soft against the skin. There's the racer back there, so you would need, either a racer back or a strapless bra, or just tuck your straps in. But it's very stretchy, very comfortable. That's me doing the snake moves. Yeah, I don't think I make a great snake, which I guess is a good thing. But I thought this outfit was on point.
So what did you guys think about this Stitch Fix box? This is probably the fourth or fifth box that I've gotten from Jason, who is a stylist that I specifically requested after I saw that he was styling another YouTuber and I thought she was getting some good items. And so I'm getting these boxes from Jason and I'm hot mad because he has the nerve, the unmitigated gall to be sending me 5 for 5 boxes. You just want me to spend all my money, Jason, huh? I guess you just want me to spend all my coins on the boxes, huh? This is the second 5 for 5 that he sent me. Without a doubt, the black bodysuit is staying. That's the one non-negotiable. That's staying. The rest of them I really want to stay. I just got to figure out the math of it all. So that actually brings me to an announcement that I wanted to make. I am actually going to be halting my unboxing videos for several weeks because I am actually having surgery in a few days on my foot. And I am supposed to be not weight bearing for about 6 to 8 weeks. So it might be kind of difficult for me to stand around and try on clothes when I only have one good foot. I'm thinking of some other things that I want to do to kind of you know, keep the videos going without being style boxes. Anyway, if you don't see me, you know, doing the unboxing videos for a couple of months, it's not that I fell off the face of the earth. It's not that I stopped. I just, you know, need to take care of a little personal business. But anyway, so that's it. So back to the Stitch Fix box, just to go ahead and wrap this up. Jason has really hit it out the park. And he continues to really get my style. There have been issues with like fit in the past and fabrics in the past, but never a style issue, or at least not that I can recall, as far as him styling me. So I just really want to say thank you, Jason. I tease and laugh and roll my eyes and all that other stuff, but really you are doing quite a good job. So thank you.
And here are the prices for everything that I received in this fix.
And I guess that's it. So if you have any comment suggestions or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.